Are you also trapped at calculating everything you do based on numbers and logics? Like you are calculating the degree of productivity to identify if you're successful or not? If yes, then you are on a complete wrong path that I have been suffering for last 7 years. And I know I'm contradicting your years of training here, but this life is just an experience of today, the living in present. Because the moment you sleep at night today, that is where this life ends. Because the next morning would be a fresh new start as a whole only if you wake up. Strange, right? But remember, we are all immortal and there is no guarantee that you will wake up tomorrow. Do you have any return guarantee that you will wake up tomorrow to continue the hustle you are already on? And if there is no return guarantee, then why are you letting a future goal that may or may not come true, that too, only if you remain alive till that day to celebrate? See, I do agree with you that this success is important to define and live the future that you want. But who told you that the future needs you to live like a robot today? Like no hobbies, no self love, no conscious living, no me time, nothing. Just running day in and day out to achieve that one goal. I have tried doing this for last 7 years, but I was just running from one goal to another, and this do look perfect on paper, but it feels very hollow from within. Ever saw any successful big person feeling satisfied, feeling fulfilled from within? Yes, their life looks perfect and ideal on paper, but they are all unfulfilled from inside. And that is the topic of today's episode of Come Back to Yourself podcast, to make you achieve your goals while celebrating your today in the present fully. For me, it all started with an urge to do something big. Like I wanted to prove myself to the world. I started my own retail business setup and soon got introduced to the term of digital marketing. And that's when the race began for me. Like it took me 12 to 14 hours every day for months just to learn the basics. My eyes suffered, my gut suffered, but because my intent was so stick that I got my first job. Win win on paper. But that first job required me to work from 9 a.m. in the morning to 11 p.m. at night. Just what is expected from a fresher on a remote role. And it was so perfect on paper that still today, 7 years later, I was running in the race while working at New York's advertising agency for last 2 years. I was not feeling fulfilled. I needed something else, something more to achieve, until I got the biggest realization of my life after launching my first book. I still remember the moment when I did unboxing of my whole year of patience. Like my first book, it felt so fulfilling from within for a few minutes until I needed someone else to celebrate it with. Like the book that costed me coffee those late nights, multiple launching and publishing issues, all faced alone, now needed someone else's appreciation to feel fulfilling to my inner self. That was the moment that made me question this whole myth about productivity and success. And you might have already experienced this when you waited for a goal to be achieved and you celebrated it for a few minutes, and then you asked yourself, what next? So now the question is the life all about rushing from one goal to another, or are we living it a different way? Because a person with inner fulfillment do not need degrees to prove their own self-worth. So what's life? It is about the experience of the present moment. You still dream big, you still set goals, but for today, to celebrate today, to win today. So start celebrating yourself. Celebrate the consistency, celebrate the wins, celebrate the progress, celebrate the consistency even when you felt tired, celebrate overcoming your own emotional regulation, celebrate stability and your consistency towards that goal. Just celebrate yourself. Even when you think that it is just a small win, just think of that success in opposite way and you will feel how big that progress was. So start celebrating. Because I know what it takes to consistently work towards the same goal and progressing bit by bit. It clearly shows that you are already a winner, that you are already successful. Don't wait for some textbook proofs to show you that you're a winner. Instead, make your every day to describe that you are already a winner and you are already successful. So now, hit subscribe and comment below your wins of today, and let's celebrate each other's win in the comment section below. See you in the next episode.